On our 180 Facebook page, we asked the question, which part of your body would you have replicated and sold if given a chance? Apparently, Bushe Samuels, I have no idea who she is, plays Matsiriso on Mubango, was shocked to find out there's a Matsiriso bum pad on sale from Joburg Streets, which, wow, she had no idea. Okay. So which part of your body are you proud that you wouldn't mind molded?
So manje basically, bathengisa like safane very back manje.
Yeah.
Uthatha umuntu uyashude umeka kahle lo muntu. Mofike endlini fast plank.
Exactly. Yeah, that's basically
no,
it. Yeah.
Go wrong.
No, the thing is, there are some people who need help there. It looks like an ironing board.
Hey, baning.
Yeah.
Abanye abana bathi veggie. Abanye ama hips awalingani.
That is nonsense.
No, but bakhona la uyakhona lalela nkulu ngicela ukuthi we come from two different worlds. When you come from ubona inkomo nembuzi wazalana no nalomntana yena umzimba omncane ngathi inkomo egulayo neza la ijozi. Umntana kini ubani umntana kini ubani umntana kini Uhlobo decided to act as HIV positive when HIV was something very scary. Hey, namanje abantu bathi awukakashona. I am a ARV strong shame. Futhi wamaqhoza ngathi as another thing. Umntana kini wathi decided to act ukuthi uyakhula. Hey.
No, it's good though because you're
good.
teaching people.
Yeah, but hey man, cool 11 years ago. Yeah.
There are still people.
Namanje uhlobo can I have a hug? Who is she dating?
She's married.
She's married.
Yes.
To
a white guy.
Obvious. White people are like, it's okay, you are acting. It's fine. Let's do this. Come on, man. Actually, not Joshua was looking. Joshua, so I'm sleeping off. How do you introduce Uhlubi to your friend? Hey, this is my girlfriend. Skhumbuzo. Wasuka nje umuntu wamletha la. Umazi kahle una 15 years. But to ask the people, I don't know why. I'm going to hey lo mntwana hayi ngo 80 so mama akana HIV noma beka HIV ngiyamthanda mina. Hey mara Skhumbuzo. Akashona lo mntwana kana. Ene mara uyambona lokhu uyaphela. Mara hayi umile. Yazi umile. La mntwana didn't make your family proud for what? Sometimes, Bob Pena's family are proud of Bob Joe. My family is proud of me. Why not? Oh, Mongena, when I was, hey, cool, hey, upalile na upale ma pepin. I was saying, hey, cool, hey, was shaza glomji. Let's go to the petty crozar. Was shaza glomji. Was vele TV ukwehlela. Bathi bayakuzama. Wamsoka lobani lomntana, ubani boyfriend kuphasins.
Yeah.
Naye sithembile yana. Yavumbuka ipimpule sithi hey. Wavumbuka ipimpule nyana sithi hey ntwana yini manje. So with that thing. I see that thing. I was acting. Hey, asinandaba. There's Rosa won't take on TV. Sikhomba sicela ube umuntu. Hey. Hayi ngoba ku wrong. Hayi mara no. Uhlobo is a disgrace in your family. You know when my family gathering. Siyabonga nonke nifikile Hlubi asazofika njani. Sesikufaka kuma society silokhu siyabhadala uhambe. You know people will pay society just to find out ufanele. There's one uncle ongashoni ulokhu hleli. Umzayifana akashoni. Umzayifana. Umona umzayifana. Uyaphuza, uyabhema. Unabo chera by 96. Uloku dozen malume this month noma kanjani le police yabhadala. Umtholalele bathi ushonile. Uzwa. Malume uzwa ngicela nivuke frithini. Ngilethele ibhiya. Umuntu awukashoni wena. Ayisuka. Tanga zakho zibhizi yalizile Avalon.
Oh lolo.
Lo baba wenze uphula ama record. And every time you see me, you don't even think, Nkandla. Umuntu says, hey, kakabe kuyaswima manje, hey, konkandla.
Kandla. Oh lolo.
Wathi kabe ke reka roll on la ko makhomelo spice ko kanye.
Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. A lot of you, especially the ladies, talking about their legs and the eyelashes. We're asking the question, if there was a part of your body that you'd have replicated and sold off, what would it be?
Ulungile Mulefe says my legs. Brendan Vincang says my legs as well.
Lerato wa Africa says my legs as well.
Yeah, I've also got great legs, eh? I when I shush. I do. I have awesome legs.
It's cool to say it's just nice
Great legs.
I do.
Kuli lama planka.
Nice.
Elo Oscar makabona hey monga ngibole. Asi I'm a plate what's a posting now. Yeah. Oh no.
No, man. Come on, Matsiniso, man. Mubango, la lebella Mubango.
No, it's even from one proper. Bakulmis vendor and when I'm a subtitle. So it's either you're watching or you're reading. Me, I read. I don't know one character. Don't know one character. No, better go to one. Don't you do? Okay. No, okay. Who? How many characters do you know? That is when proper is when
I know Lerato Khanyago.
Yeah.
I think you mean Lerato Muloi.
Khanyago,
she's on there as well.
Yes.
No,
but that's on TV. I want to see.
I know. In Kosa Kona, but share by tree. In a tree, I'm a girlfriend.
What's his name? The king.
I don't know. What's Squivir? Look. Not correct.
What's his name?
Oh, when was the last time when you saw characters as a woman? No, you're reading. Like, okay. Oh, Bazumbulala. Mama Bula, Doctor Beach. Svenda City, Baba. Svenda. Doctor and I must come up when I'm a facial expression. Doctor Good.
Is that her?
Enda.
Wow. Wow.
Probab.
Ne on a caravan
Hey, if I'm in a garage then.
What are we talking about now? Mercedes was rare. Okay.
Open Mamba Mengon's last week. Maraine South Africa. I violate country.
No, crime happens to everyone.
Mara Ethalun. I'm landing long enough. Best if not I can spend what Asnanda. But just like a fish and chips. But yeah, like a fish. I'm a tree. But I don't have a tree. Come on, Dal. I'm going to see that. I'm going to keep a less kill something. But I can spend. Let's have a Dal. You can't keep it down. Don't know about that. I mean, take a wallet that I see Funalo. But just like a fish and chips. But to the north, to the side, let's get peace. But hey, peace. I'm in South Africa. I'm going to hey, tada, letala. Hey, like fish and chips. Nalama Falls. No. Okay, I got to KO, but Nama no. But for Nama Falls, open Nama Falls. But Tate, I ring him, Shato. I'm a tricky, you are lati, I'm a phone 2, no gold tooth, I'm a land. Kissa gold here, and I'm a bit Kissa gold here. But that's like fish and chips. Kissa gold. Kissa gold. Just pen him. It's not daba. Kissa gold. And he has the total solution is long, Abbasas. Yeah, bring it. But what that? It's in Spali. What's the prayer? What's the prayer? Please, Mama. Yeah. Hey, open it. What that? Yeah. No, Vatas. Full Vatila. Vatlan. Bring it. But in it. In Spali. Let's go. Tell you what I do like that. The money. The bling. So bling. Come on, watch it. Skatman. Yeah. Don't touch it. Yeah, it's a boom.
I'm sure you've seen the apology from KFC.
Ungibone ngidla inkukhu. Ubone mina ngidla inkukhu. Akandaba bapologizile. Inkukhu ingazowashwa kabuhlungu so brabo. Ha? Inkukhu ngathi sekhawash. Yelahlela ngudlo phansi. Ungibone ngidla chicken. Ungibulale. No more.
But at least you can go to Nando's.
Inkukhu bayiwasha kanjani bona? Sicela ivideo yabo basezinkingi mhlawumbe bayishuka. Waba inkukhu ishuka ngathi ingubo. Hayi bazowasha inkukhu kabuhlungu ngewaspa bala. Oh, for streetwise. Yes. Swashela in the streets,
I love that
Streetwise.
Bengeke komunye umncwabo. True story. Mina mangitshela istory ngicabanga ukuthi mina ikhanda amalisebenzi. Bengeke komunye umncwabo. Umncwabo like lo muntu oshonile beka
Correct.
Bekangekho right like une short temper engqondweni like intamba ithinte paraffin like every class has those ekhaya khona umuntu Labanga tabeko right olosihlanu ushomande olosihlanu washona so khona abangani bakhe bafunda true story bafunda kulesikole sabantu aba
Yeah.
But abangani bakhe beze bazocula ingoma bekayithanda esikoleni yazi angangazi or ngizilahle phansi or ngiyothenga ikota ingoma bebeyicula bathi sizofuna umuntu wethu ngathi nayimhlolo yami sizofuna umuntu wethu namhlanje wabona amahlanje ashaya ibhosa hamba kahle pretty boy hamba kahle pretty boy Bagaje principal ngathi nayimhlolo arumfundisa shaya alahle iBhayibheli phansi abona abantu baphumela ngaphandle ngathi hawo niyaphuma sizo bamba ibhoxa sizo ufuna umuntu ngathi angeba phole disiye labo hamba kahle principal wathi banelima bashaya ibox basket iyavula ngathi mvaleni nayo nayo phakathi kwebox ukhipha ilimo la marushonini
No, man. It's cool.
and that is a true story.
And did you see the ask?
Why did Musi decide it? That's almost when he started that thing. He was thinking, let me be an Obama. Well, let me sit in my office and chat to the nation. Bekangekho ready shep. Imibuzo bambuza yona abantu ayina ngqondo. Like abantu babadlala naye ask Musi, okay. Uthe mafika endlini imeda kathi, so how was it? Ngithi imeda komlungu. So how was it that black people will always be black? This country ain't going forward. Mandela didn't die for this. Really? Who switches off the load shedding button? Who asked that question? Yeah, you said they must ask Musi. They're asking now. Answer them. Angnas katsukla. Pumu blog. Mbona pumu blog ishuku ya kutweet. Musi, where do we buy Brazilian weave? Yazi. Hey, futhi I'm logging out you. Walonga out, ithi behleli la. Ambuz beka phapha uphaphela. Ay. How old is Bob Mapele? Ngazela. How old is Ngazela? Uqala kahle aphendula kahle. Yes, yeah, we're changing the country right. We're going forward as a movement. We are not babuzu. Angitshele Musi, inkomo azimnandi ngophuthu or wesinto. Hey. Who are you? Ask Musi, tell us when is Mshoza? Hey, Musi what? Yes, Musi Toti. Futhi angisana ama data bundle. You wanna rule the country? You don't have data bundles. Hey, angisana ama data manje. You wanna ask someone? Ask Julius. Let's ask Julius. What Julius says that? Ask Julius will be the
best.
The country will
trend for months.
Rejoice rejoice abuti Julius berete yeu roba la ka yona ori batla hey nkandla that's all that thing up oh lolo kandla oh lolo Ukona obuze umusi mayimana athi Musi usithandivela mkhumbulo usithandivela usithandivela washona nangaka ongelapho Musi mkhumbulo usithandivela
Of course.
Usithandivela wayi crash abantwana bathi nizadaya crash wabheka usithandivela ngizagwenya straight to hell today going straight ngiyazingelela nagwenya
Sadly, has to help.
Uthanivel beka ne umbilical cord under 4 days. Ahambe strategy. Umbilical cord.
Edlela kaQuaps.
Ingaba sasa strategy. Uthanivel, yabona uthanivel inhloko so iloaf extend mama nambili una 3 days nambili. and bekumqhaza ndifuna umnqusho une girlfriend une girlfriend na 10 days une chill mama umathili sizolala la ekhaya awukawisikaba mama ngolole ngiwala uthanda value wathenga imoto 2 months we drive safakela bukeni uyabnyemole una 2 months crash ngagwenya abantwana uhluba kini uyawubona uthanda value uthanda value ngicela ukuthi ungijoina hey ngizakuthinta ngizaku
Straight to hell.
Oh no.